Looking to say goodbye to your Toptal account? This video will walk you through the steps to completely remove your Toptal account, ensuring a smooth and final closure. First, let's clarify the difference between deactivation and complete removal. Deactivation often temporarily hides your profile, while full removal deletes all your data. We're focusing on the latter here, ensuring you're fully off the platform. Begin by logging into your Toptal account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Profile section. This area usually has a gear icon, or your profile picture, where you can access your account's configuration. Within your settings, look for a Privacy, Account, or Delete Account tab. It's likely you'll have to delve through sub-menus to find the specific removal option. You will likely be prompted to read and agree to Toptal's terms of service regarding account deletion. Review these carefully before proceeding. You'll likely encounter a detailed confirmation screen. Toptal might ask for a reason for your departure, which helps them improve, but this is often optional. Read the prompts and options within the confirmation, making sure you understand the implications of account removal. A very important note: if you have any active projects or outstanding payments, make sure to complete them first. Account removal will halt your ability to receive future payments. Clear any pending projects to avoid complications. Make certain to follow any instructions provided in the confirmation screen to ensure that you completed all the requirements to remove your account. Once you confirm account removal, follow the platform's final prompts. You might receive an email confirming the deletion. That's it, you've successfully removed your Toptal account. Goodbye and good luck with your future endeavors.